Okay, so we're going to be checking your homework for translations. So if you'll go to your translations page, we're going to start with number 1. I know we already done this, but we're going to go ahead and go over it again. Translate the triangle left 6 units and then 1 unit down. So when you translate left, you're traveling along the x-axis. Left and right is x. When you go left, you're subtracting 6 units. 1 unit down. Down is the y. You subtract because you're going down 1. Okay, so now that you've got your formulas written, make sure you do that, by the way. Write your formulas, because when you have a massive image like a cartoon figure or an architecture piece or something like that, you're going to need those formulas. So, first thing we're going to do is write our coordinates. I have 7, -2. I have 1, -4, and 7, -5. So I'm going to take all of my x's and subtract 6. 7 is an x. 1, that's the x. 7. Then take all my y's and subtract 1. -4 minus 1. -5 minus 1. And now I'm going to write my new coordinates. 1, -3. -5, -5. 1, -6. Yes, you need all of this work because you never know what the question is actually going to be. Then you plot 1 over 1 down 3. Over 5 left because it's negative, down 5. I didn't mean to put a dot on my -5, 0. 1, -6. Go over 1, down 6. Connect your dots because this is a figure, and there's your translated image. Number 2, translate -2, 3, 4 places up. That's the y. Going up is adding. And 2 down. Down is still the y. That's subtracting. So we didn't do anything to the x. But to the y, we added 4, and then we subtracted 2. My new coordinates, -2, and then 7 minus 2, -2, 5. Number 3, translate the triangle 5 units left. That is the x-axis. Left is minus, subtracting 5. First thing I'm going to do is write my coordinates. I go over 4, up 5. I go over 8, up 3. Over 6, up 9. Now I'm going to take all of my x's and subtract 5. And I don't do anything to the y. I didn't move up or down. So my y stays the same. Now I get my new coordinates. 4 minus 5 is -1. 8 minus 5 is 3. 6 minus 5 is 1. And now I plot my points. Start at origin. Go left 1, up 5. Right 3, up 3. Right 1, up 9. And there is my translated figure. Number 4, translate the triangle left. That's the x. Left and right is x. Left is subtracting 5 units. 9 units down. Down travels along the y, and that's subtracting 9. My coordinates. I go over 6, up 1. I go over 6, up 8. I go over 8, up 5. I'm going to take all of my x's and subtract 5. 6 minus 5, 6 minus 5, 8 minus 5. Then I'm going to take all my y's and subtract 9. Six minus 5 is 1. 1 minus 9 is -8. 6 minus 5 is 1. 8 minus 9 is -1. 8 minus 5 is 3. 5 minus 9 is negative 4. And I plot my points. Over 1, down 8. Over 1, down 1. Over 3, down 4. And there is my translated image. 5. Translate the triangle down, that's on the y, minus 3 units, and left 3 units, 3 units left, that's the x, left is minus 3. I'm going to write my coordinates down. I go over left 4, up 3, left 5, up 5, left 2, up 9. I'm going to start with my x's, x minus 3, so I'm going to take all of my x's and subtract 3. Y minus 3, so now I'm going to take all of my y's and subtract 3. Now I can find my new coordinates. Negative 4 minus 3 is negative 7. 3 minus 3 is 0. Negative 5 minus 3 is negative 8. 5 minus 3 is 2. Negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. And plot. Left 7, go nowhere. Left 8, up 2. Left 5, up 6. And plot my new coordinates. Right there, get my figure. That's your new figure. 6. Translate the triangle. Up 9 units. Up, that's y, plus 1 unit, I'm assuming left. LE, left. So left is x minus 1. I get my coordinates. Right 1, down 5. Right 3, down 7. Right 7, down 8. Take all your x's and subtract 1. Take all your y's and add 9. Make that look like a 9. Negative 8 plus 9. Now I find my new coordinates. 1 minus 1 is 0. Negative 5 plus 9 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. Negative 7 plus 9 is 2. This is 6. And this is 1. Plot your new coordinates. 0, up 4. Over right 2, up 2. Right 6, up 1. And I have my new figure. 3 more. Translate the triangle right. That's an x plus 5. And then 9 units up. That's y plus. Write down your coordinates. Negative 8, negative 6, negative 5, negative 9, negative 3, negative 8. All your x's are going to add 5, so take all the x's and add 5. Then all your y's are 9, adding 9. So add 9 to all the y's. And now you can find your new coordinates. Negative 8 plus 5 is negative 3. Negative 6 plus 9 is 3. Negative 5 plus 5 is 0. Negative 9 plus 9 is 0. Negative 3 plus 5 is 2. Negative 8 plus 9 is 1. And plot your new points. Left 3, up 3. Go nowhere. Right 2, up 1. Connect your dots, and you've got your new figure. 2 more. Translate the triangle right 2 units. That's x plus. And 3 units down. That's y minus. Negative 8, 0. Negative 9, negative 5. Negative 6, negative 6. All the x's you add 2. All the y's you subtract 3. Negative 8 plus 2 is negative 6. 0 minus 3 is negative 3. Negative 9 plus 2 is negative 7. Negative 5 minus 3 is negative 8. Negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4. Negative 6 minus 3 is negative 9. Plot your points. Left 6, down 3. Left 7, down 8. Left 4, down 9. Connect your dots, that's your new figure. Last one. Translate the triangle right, that's x plus 4. Then 9 units down, that's y minus. Write your coordinates. 2, 2. Right 2 up 5. Right 5 up 7. Add 4 to all your x's. And subtract 9 from all the y's. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 minus 9 is negative 7. 2 plus 4 is 6. 5 minus 9 is negative 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. 7 minus 9 is negative 2. Plot your points. Right 6, down 7. Right 6, down 4. Right 9, down 2. Connect your dots. There's your new figure. And there's your key for translations.